Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and this is the first book in the Illuminae files that is one of my most favorite book series of all time. This book is written by Amy Kaufman and Jay Kristoff, and the first book in the series is called Illuminae, and it is one of the most unique books I have ever read. I love the style of this writing. I love how this book is laid out. It truly is one of the most unique things I have ever seen. This is one of my all-time favorites. I remember reading this for the first time and I literally could not put it down. I was so excited turning the pages that I ripped a page out on accident because I was so excited about what was happening. I think if you are a fan of young adult sci-fi, you are going to absolutely devour this book and this series. This is one of my absolute must reads of all time. So if you are a fan of sci-fi, young adult, just really unique storytelling, pick up Illuminae. You are going to love it. And that's my point of view.